Looking for a course to pursue after class 12th? I know this will be a major problem for you all, the students of class 12 who have passed out their class 12th. The main challenge before them is what to choose and what not to choose as a career. What to do after class 12th, what not to do after class 12th. So I will be discussing in this video about the different types of courses which are there which you can pursue after your class 12th commerce, their duration, their eligibility part. Everything I will be discussing in this video, so do watch this video till the end. Hello friends, this is Rohit Gupta. Welcome you to my YouTube channel Rohit Gupta Counseling. Today, as you all know, previously also I have told you that in this video I will be discussing about the courses which you can pursue after your class 12th commerce background students. Basically, what courses they can pursue after class 12. I will be discussing in detail about their duration and their eligibility part also. Do watch this video till the end and be a part of Rohit Gupta Counseling. And thanks for your love and support which I am getting in the form of your queries, suggestions and advices. I want to make a request. The people who haven't subscribed for my channel, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that in future you can get the notifications for my upcoming videos which are related with education and career. So let's start our video. First in the list is BCom Honors. The duration for this particular course is 3 years and you should qualify your class 12th with aggregate percentage of 50% marks in your boards, as well as you may be of any stream, maybe science, commerce or arts stream, you can pursue BCom Honors. Second in the list is BA Honors, which you can pursue in business as well as in economics also. And the eligibility part, the duration part is 3 years and the eligibility is you should qualify your class 12th with English and maths as a compulsory subject. Then only you can pursue your BA Honors in business and economics. This course is not directly related with commerce but has a huge scope in business financial management. So you can pursue BA Honors. Third course in the list is BCom Pass. This is the most popular course among the youths. The duration for this course is 3 years. You should qualify your class 12th with minimum percentage of 50% marks. But depending on the universities, the cutoff may vary from 80% to 95%. So you should score more of the percentage in your class 12th if you want to take admission in good college, good university. If you want to pursue undergraduate commerce programs and professional courses, you have to have a BCom Pass degree. Then the fourth course is BA Economics. The duration for this course is 3 years. Eligibility is 10+2 from any stream. But candidates must have studied mathematics, accounts and economics for some colleges. This program covers all the basic concepts of economics for you all to prepare you for the higher studies. Doing MBA in finance or MA in economics is the good option after pursuing your BA economics. Next course in this category is BA Honors in English. The duration is again 3 years. The eligibility is 10+2 from any stream, no matter what. But there should be English as a compulsory subject in your boards. Many institutes conduct their own entrance exam for this particular course. If you want a good career, in media, entertainment industry as well as in teaching sector, you have to go for this particular course. Next course is BBA, Bachelor of Business Administration. The duration for this course is 3 years again, and the eligibility is 10+2. You should qualify 10+2 with a minimum percentage of 50% marks with English and maths as a compulsory subject. BBA can be very helpful for you all if you are planning to go for management courses, business management courses, or you want to do MBA in different specializations. I have already made a specific playlist for MBA aspirants, so do watch this complete list. The link I have given in the description box for that particular playlist, so just refer to that playlist if you want to go for an MBA. Next course is BCA, Bachelor of Computer Application. The duration again is of 3 years and eligibility is you should qualify your 12th maybe from any stream, but the minimum aggregate percentage marks should be 50%. There are various entrance exams which are conducted by different institutes. You should qualify. You have to qualify for those exams, as well as if you want a good career in multinational companies and IT companies, or if you want to enter into the IT world and want a handsome salary, a good package, then you should go for this particular course. That is BCA. I have already made a video on MCA and BCA. If you want to refer, the link I have given in the description box. Next course is BAF, Bachelor of Accounting and Finance. Again, the duration is 3 years and eligibility is 10+2 with any stream. But students have studied accounts and finance in their class 12th. They should have scored minimum of aggregate 50% of marks in their class 12th exam. Next course is BBI, Bachelor of Banking and Insurance. The duration is 3 years and eligibility is 10+2 with a minimum of 50% of marks you should have scored in your class 12th. Banking and finance aspirants who are preparing for the banking and financial sector can also pursue this particular course. An MBA in finance, after pursuing this course, can have a better options for employment. Next course is BSc Honors Statistics or BStat Honors. The duration again is 3 years and the eligibility is 10+2 from any stream with the minimum aggregate percentage marks is 50% in your class 12. But students should have studied maths till class 12. That is, maths is a compulsory subject for this particular course. If you want to make a career on stock exchange or stock market, then you should go for this particular course. Next course is CS, Company Secretary. The duration for this course may vary according to your qualifying the exam for that particular organization. Okay, but basically the time duration is 2 years, 1 month. Eligibility is 10+2 from any stream. Okay, and already I have made a video on this company secretary course and company secretary career. I have already given the link in the description box. Details of company secretary course, you have to refer the video which I have given in the link in the description box. But if you want to work in a corporate environment, you have to qualify your company secretary exam. It's a great opportunity to work in a corporate environment. You have to clear the exams which are organized by the organizing authority. Then next course is Mass Communication or Journalism. The course may vary according to the certificate, diploma or degree programs. The eligibility is 10+2. This is a great course if you want to work in media, entertainment or advertising sector. I have already made a video on Mass Communication and Journalism. I have given the link in the description box. For each and every detail of Mass Communication Journalism, refer to that particular video. Then there are language courses. The duration for these courses is, again, it varies from diploma, degree or certificate courses, maybe 2 years, 3 years or maybe 6 months. The eligibility is 10+2 from any stream but English as a compulsory subject. Again, I have already made a video on this particular course, language courses. I have given the link in the description box. For detail, you can refer to that particular video. Next is BA in Visual Communication. The duration is 3 years. The eligibility is 10+2 but marks may vary from 45% to 50% from any stream. This course is about transmission of information to key audiences through various resources, maybe website, maybe television, maybe advertisement, maybe radio, any medium you can use. So this course is also a good option for after 12th. Then there is a course is BA LLB. The duration of course is 5 years. The eligibility is 10+2 from any stream. You should have scored 50% to 60% of marks in your class 12th. For the details of BA LLB course, I have made a separate video related to BA LLB. The link I have given in the description box. You can refer to that particular link for each and every detail for this particular course. Bachelor of Fine Arts. The duration for this course is 2 to 4 years. You should completed your 10+2 with minimum aggregate percentage marks should be 50% to 60%. You may be of any stream. I have made a separate video for this particular course. The link I have given in the description box. For every detail for this particular course, you can refer to that particular video. Last is Bachelor of Business Studies. The duration for this course is 3 years. You should qualify your 10+2 with minimum percentage of marks should be 50% to 60% from any stream, but English should be a compulsory subject. This course is the amalgamation of academic knowledge of business and related subjects like marketing, economics, accountancy and finance. etc. So friends, these were the courses which I have told you, the duration, the eligibility, as well as the scope, which you can pursue after your class 12th if you are a commerce background student. So if you like this video, do give me thumbs up, give me feedback in my comment section how you like this video. Share this video with all your friends, with all your Facebook and WhatsApp groups, so that everybody should know about these courses which are there, which everybody can pursue after 12th commerce background. Do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Till then, have a nice day. Good day.